Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. I am back with the African Goddess deck. I remember many of you had liked it, so I thought why not bring those cards. So let's see the first one, Queen Nefertiti. I remember making her candles long back when my first batch of WICCA had started in Chennai. In fact, I also remember doing a beautiful and a powerful candle ritual with her, because she is a person who is like, whatever she touches becomes gold. So whatever, you tell her, and she helps you in fulfilling. So today is a day of fulfillment. Today is the day where whatever you desire will become good. Maybe you need to say that, I love myself fully and I'm loved fully by people, for your energies to become positive, because she comes only when your day is going to be really awesome and everything that you desire will be successful. But let's see what's the next card. Queen Mother Nanny. Again, a card of liberation. If you see this, her card also, a card of liberation. Basically, you're free from everything. You don't have to feel that you're stuck. Today is where you will be free. You can manifest what you desire. The power is in your hands, and if you decide to move forward in life, you can move forward today, because they both have come. These are the African gods. Basically, I would suggest, just tell from inside 21 times, I am free, I am liberated, and I create my own life. Okay, and today wear the color green. I feel green is the color you should wear. And those who follow Isis or any of the Egyptian goddesses, pray to Isis along with Queen Mother Nani, that you're able to take the decisions which you want to take in a beautiful way, and people accepting your decisions, and people understanding why you took certain decisions. But overall, if you see, a day of manifestation, a day of abundance, a day of positivity. Have a beautiful and a awesome blessed day.